What's up, plant lovers? I want to do a quick series of a few short videos highlighting some of the plants I'm really looking forward to growing in my garden this summer. Let's get into it. Now, these perfectly mounded azaleas are called the Perfecto Mundo azaleas from Proven Winners. I planted a couple of these in my garden last year. They're still quite small, but I'm excited for them to fill out to this perfect globe of pure flower power. And yes, these are a wonderful compact azalea that are covered with these double blooms, but what makes these even more special is that these are repeat bloomers. They're gonna bloom in the spring, then they're gonna take a little bit of a siesta during the hottest time of the summertime, and then they're gonna come back and bloom again probably around early September, October, or at least that's when I had my flowers here in my Zone 6B garden in eastern Pennsylvania. And not only are these going to repeatedly bloom throughout the season, unlike any of the other azaleas I've grown before, but they're also pretty good at resisting diseases, including those little lace bugs. So last year I planted a couple of the pink, and this year I'm excited to add these red ones to the mix. Now do take note, they're not deer resistant like other azaleas out there, so you'll want to apply a nice deer spray about once a month to keep any munching deer from destroying your beautiful azaleas. Super winter hardy and quite long-lived are a couple more attributes that make these azaleas winners. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video series and drew a little bit of plant inspiration from seeing all of these beautiful colors growing here in our greenhouse. So if you are looking to add some of these beautiful plants to your gardens this summer, check out my family's website, robertasgardens.net, where you can find all of these plants and many more innovative, brand new cultivars that are just reaching gardeners from around the globe. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all of our weekly, sometimes daily updates, bringing more plants into our lives. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.